So welcome to my social media page or pages that I'm just going to show you and explain a bit of what has been happening or what is actually available on the social media pages. These are pages that I personally run and I work with. So I'll just be showing you what each page does and what is the difference between the two pages. So, or rather, the pages that I'll show you. I don't know how many there are, but so far this is one of the pages. This page has been running since roughly 2018, 2017, somewhere there. It's simply just been a page about football, where it's called Kasi Street Football, and it's just on sporting events. Although we haven't had an event in quite a while, but this is what it's about. And most of my likes have actually come up from fans of the page and people who've actually known about the football events. So basically this is what the page looks like. You would actually find that in the last few days, or rather 28 days from 10 March to about 6 April, I've had I reached 24 people, which is 8%. Post engagements, there haven't been any posts, but page likes, there have been 2 in this period. So in other words, it simply means there hasn't been any marketing going on. But I can still get to see the number of people who are on the page, the number of people who have liked the page, and etc. So like, for example, if I select on liked, okay, that's not it, but let's see. There's a part where I can actually show you where each like is. Okay, so yes, this is what I wanted to show you. So it shows the number of people who liked the page. So 895 people have liked this, 904 people follow this, and 23 people have checked in here during the time that I have done this. There are no business hours as yet. There are also no business details because it's not working at the moment. But there's a website, there's a number that you can contact. We're supposed to put an email, and there's messages in the inbox. So what the page is about, the privacy, etc. So this is one of the pages. There was another page, which is why maybe my likes are not that many, because some people were looking for another page, but this is actually the main page. So you then also find in my inbox, I've got some messages from different people that I can just show you to see what each person is asking about, what they might need to know, etc. So these are some of the messages that are there, although some I haven't responded to, but it pretty much then shows you what the page will be about and how we'll be working with the page to get the desired output that we want to work with. At the same time, I can go back to the page. It's asking me for WhatsApp. I don't want to do that at the moment. I just want to show you what's going on. So I've got updates, business app store, events, notifications. So that's for new things that have come up. So I can see the people who have liked it or any changes that might have happened to the page. It still gives me this. I don't want to use WhatsApp. Publishing tools and ad center, page info settings. So this is one of the pages that I'm working with. So I can also go to another page. Let's see. The other page that I work with is my photos page, which is this one. I can select that one and show you. It's also asking me for a WhatsApp number. I don't need to add that now, but I just want to show you what this page has. So for example, I've got my inbox, which shows me exactly what each individual might ask or might need to know based on, well, pretty much what I advertise. So not many, just 2 for this one. I've got comments as well. I can get to see the comments that have been made to any of my posts or ads or whatever, and I can then be able to respond to whichever comment is there. So I also need to constantly update my page so that it becomes more active. So for example, this is a photo that I posted on the 15th of April 2018, and someone commented and said it's a nice one. There's also this one that I added as well. This was during the coup days, and it was just someone I had. This was December 2017. It was a soldier who was standing near the police headquarters, and this was actually advertised, which is why you didn't find I got to 934 people who saw it, and I had quite a number of shares where people were commenting, making replies and things like that. So that's the power of social media, in that to get 934, I need to advertise. To get the number of people that it has reached, it's 8, and then the promotion has also results. So if I click on view results, it will show me what the promotion gave. So it's actually telling me that I engaged 1,630 people. I reached 15,585. The cost was 0.01 per engagement. So in other words, I can calculate that, multiply it by that to give me the number of people that actually saw my ad. So it can also show me the number of photo clicks, page likes, the comments, and the shares that were there. Okay. It also then shows me the demographics, to say 17.6 were women, 82.4 were men. And it also gives me the age ranges, to say between 13 and 17, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64, etc. And then the total budget that I had was $10, and the amount spent was $10, and this was the result that I've got. So at least with this, you can then see how advertising helps your page, and it gives you the number of people that you want to work with. Okay, so this is what I had on this page. Let's just see the number of likes that I've got. Leave. Okay, where did we see it? I think it was about. That's where we got to see our likes, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so with this one now, because I did a little bit more advertising, I've got people who have liked the page, which are 2,469, and I've got people who follow the page, which is 2,470. And then I'll need to add some of these things, because these are the things that I've got on this particular page, but I'll still need to update some of the content that is there. So you can see the difference between a promoted page and a non-promoted page based on the number of likes and the particular adverts that would have done. So let me just go to the last page that I work with, which is Research Assist. So this one, I've not done any advertising. I've posted a few elements here and there, pretty much just been posting to friends, etc. So in other words, it then means this is a different type of page. So you then find the number of likes won't be as much, and the number of people who follow won't be as much. This has also been running for roughly the past 6 months or so. So I've got 156 people who liked and 155 who are following this. So what it then means is you then need to advertise. So advertising then makes your page more brighter, and people will follow you and want to know more about what you're doing. So I'll end this video